I needed a dustwood today for my felder. Tired of it throwing sawdust in my face. Of course, felder. Oh, they gotta give you a quote, and then they gotta email you the quote, and then you gotta sign the quote, and then you gotta send it back with your Visa card, and then you order it. So I needed this for the weekend, and darn, that's not bad for, I just cut 40 feet of 1 inch, like a hardwood for some doors that I'm making. And damn, doesn't work bad. What the hell, 19 bucks. There we go, Amazon, get it. Thanks, bye.